we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of ILADYS car vacuum cordless. That's include powerful 18,000 PA suction with brushless motor. The ILADYS cordless car vacuum cleaner features an upgraded high-power brushless motor, lifespan of up to 5 years, powerful suction up to 18,000 PA, removes all dust, dirt and debris in seconds for your car accessories, home, office, and keyboard cleaning. 2 adjustable suction modes: Eco mode, 10,000 PA, Max mode, 18,000 PA, meets your daily cleaning needs and offers a effortless and efficient cleaning experience. 4-in-1 multifunctional car vacuum. The ILADYS car vacuum cleaner cordless comes with multiple accessories that can meet the vacuuming, blowing, inflating, pumping variety of scenarios for use and all your cleaning requirements. The portable mini car vacuum is not only ideal for car cleaning from car seats, grooves, dashboard, floor mats to air vents, but also can work as yoga balls, swimming rings, inflator or BBQ fan. And deflate the storage bag for saving space. Long battery life and Type-C fast charging. The handheld vacuum cordless is built in multiple rechargeable 2000 mAh X2 batteries and quick charge technology, with a universal Type-C charging cable. Can be fully charged within 3 to 4 hours. You can charge the car vacuum cleaner in the car or charge with standard chargers, power banks, or various storage devices anywhere, anytime. Suitable for whether daily indoor cleaning or on outdoor trips, car detailing cleaning use. Ultra lightweight and cordless. The wireless handheld vacuum cleaner is compact in size and weighs only 0.8 pounds. Cordless design allows for easy of operation, comfortable handle, saving space, and hassle-free cleaning. Without being tethered to a power outlet or annoying wires, so you can use the vacuum effortlessly. With a storage bag that tidily holds the machine and all practical accessories, it is portable for outdoor camping, traveling or business trips. Durable vacuum and easy to clean. This mini car vacuum is separated structure with a detachable dustbin of 350 ml large capacity. The transparent design provides a clear view of the dust collection process and reminds you to empty it in a timely manner. The 4-layer HEPA filtration is reusable and washable, ensuring efficient suction power and preventing garbage leakage. It is perfect for cleaning the interior of cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs, home and office. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.